Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to get GoHigh level for free. To do that, get a free trial. Many companies including GoHigh level offers free trial to potential customers. You can sign up for a free trial and use the platform for a limited time to evaluate its features and capabilities. During the trial, you can get a feel for how the platform works and whether it meets your needs. Also, some companies offer affiliate or referral programs that allows you to earn credits or commission by referring new customers. If you have a network of potential clients who might benefit from Go High Level, you can explore this option to reduce your own cost. Companies often provide discounts to educational institutions and nonprofit organizations. If you are affiliated with such a organization, you may be eligible for a reduced rate or even free access, depending on the company's policies. Also, some companies have programs designed to support startups. If you are launching a new business and meet certain criteria, you may be able to access their services at a reduced cost or for free for a limited period. And some offers a community edition that is free but may have limitation compared to the paid version. These editions are often designed for small businesses or individual users. In some cases, you can negotiate with the vendor directly to discuss your specific needs and budget. They may be willing to work out a customized pricing plan or offer discounts based on your circumstances. And that's how to get Go High Level for free. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.